Kiambote. Kiambote. Eva mukututala una sitalongoka ndinga kikongo ndinga Kongo na totila kintiru kya Kongo na totila. Welcome. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Thank you very much. I'm going to play just for our brother and sister to listen, to have how should I say, taste of Kikongo from Angola. I want to play the video from our national TV news. It is a news in Kikongo national news in national language.
Nice.
Yes, give 1 minute. Because remember our sister Russia, you did ask this just to have a sense to
exactly, yes.
The feeling. And, if you are brave, you can just take note of whichever word you can understand.
Yes.
Whichever word you understand and write it down.
Wambange kyalwando manasanga tabwa vanipeleka kileka kajeta dakamubelo yayingi munazaya awe wina engwizani tuka benavo akento besompwanga munamakanda mangani awe beguzani nga tuka kwa zitwandi ovo enkwezi zandi tuwa kwa baivulu kwa manasanga kanavo nkamputulu bavenu
kingwizani munamakanda idiambuki bene disundi di onfuno mwamutseta ngola kimusongo tukuna ndambo bakongo kumonikanga ulolo wa mambo emankutu mabebi sanga etongo kamusungula nkutu aketu atongo yengudisa yakala enkwezi ediambu diadi dituma monikanga munatongo yempe kilika bakotisanga mavuanga tuka aketu atongo yengudisa yakala munamona vo vena yengudisa kaka yakala bebunda nga vuvu kwa tekilu auti loko mwana keto kasi idiambu diambi evo fuke mbi kimonikanga kwa nkango bakongo kuna diaga ndama katuza mona vo aketo nkampebena yefuya mbi kebezolanga angudisa yakala ko savo vo kwele yakala eyane ivuri kwani mambo maoso no seto landamo yegwa envovo me konso muntu muna tanto kele moko muna balabala sanatorio waku mbanzeto aluanda tunangwa kubelokia palanka tukala yomoko yenkangu zingilanga kwako kango bakongo batuzaisa ekadilukia umpegi kundi tukava kati aketo tongo yengudisa yakala ya ukele seba tusonga engindu zao landa esaluki yake mama dalena fonso zaisi yeto munjira tunanga tuzoleza ya vakati kinguza tuka aketo tongo yengudisa yakala modi nketo nkingi ndulene kutusonga mtango yake
enketo ngido kafeti songa kadiluka mbota munanzo yenketo ye yakala ngato vomu kadilu yangudisa yakala munanzo feti toma zaza ngudi yakala mudi ki engeye uta alenge pese wakala mbuta muto modi yo pila utasasila ngudi yakala avo kutatoma ziti sangudi yakala ko engepe yo tangu kala ko ni mbuta muto ntang moma mbi wovenge kwa ngudi yako yakala ngepe sema vuto kila
mana ntoni maivango tuzaisi ngeye utoko unanga vomba sikuelele enketo munanzo kakonda ngudi yako luziti vopangizani nkiyi inzengo siwabaka
munamono wao nzengo usakala wangekendo isompele twavange edeto kanda walwa wangekendo nasola kanda diame kunasola la dwame kwa muno ikala fetivave manera mosi ya singi kapusuka wakala vomu tumobo wa sikila wazole pangisa mukuna wasolako kuna kulanda vona sola kako kamoni kubakila pastor zolana mona zole endamba ngeda zole ndamba mwenda mona solako suka tsoka ka vama festival mala papa wanka kandofa singe kanda una festival le kanda una makana una festival kadila una festival ngela kaka
enge vuide tegel kuna ndama na keto undama na yaka
engine ategel ko ndama na keto ndama mona yaka
ki ategel ko be to magyanga la kundama keto kundama yaka ana yaka
Mono ki antuga sikimbaki di wa kekulu ki sola. E kundamba ya mwana ya kale kundamba mwana keto ki sola.
Iko sodi la.
Uja moni ya utidi.
Mudiam kuna ndambo yetu bakongo ngude yakala betuma solanga ana wuti diana keto kingi nuzako.
Mnangindu zambe kadi owana nge wa utidi kulesa sola ko kadi ye mwana keto ye mwana ya kala nge wa utidi kulesa sola ko. Mnangindu za mnayo tangu au. Aka sola mas mutangu to tuta sola ko pe.
Modi keto nkiki nguzi na kina vakati ngeye yengudi wa yakala diabo.
Mona ndina baba boy ivyu vatama kaza matama kafwa watu zingi ningi ngudi yakala kambeni ko ngudi yakala ngudi yako kadi ngezolele yakala pe uzolele fede vizola pe ngudi yani kadi kitome na ngutu kitukidi yani uti yakala di sopele we konsira kimbeni kuleni konsira kimbeni ngudi kibeni fede konsola modi zola ngudi yako
keto yingi modi inge uyakala aketo yingi fiti mwana munanzo ngudi yako kalensa kuza loma nzimbo nakaloma nzimbo kanu fiti mona ufundi tingutunge mwana mumangudi kavovele vena yakala nkaka aginga nkuto ngudi za ndemde keto nkingi fiti kusonga tangu ya
sabu mambo mayingi mena dovunzoyenzo mena me muntima mina me mono muntima me geza zola mampile ina kadi voi sompele sabu famille zole to sanganese wao yeye ngudi yako wa ungeye fite mona ivana mbo kwa ngudi yame ngeye mona diambi wo bakila ngolo muvana mbo kwa ngudi yako muvana mbo ngina kwa ngudi yako ngedi akafite kale ngindi za kala mona ivana mbo kwa ngudi yame kadi yani unsadi dikibeni vo ya kala mnefu moya vimba ya utuka ngizi baka diaka Luki Salo yibukuelele patuvuta sangisa famille ne famille ça veut dire diambo ngadi fute katu kamunti mabakende ngudi yako kakala ngudi yame kakala ngudi yako.
Thank you.
That is very beautiful language.
You are drinking from the fountain, you know.
Oh my goodness.
the original stuff.
Oh my God.
Someone is writing here. Someone is writing for you, Sister Rachel.
Oh, Mpangi Louise.
Kimbote. I'm sure you heard the original from Angola.
You know what's amazing, Mpangi, Tata Mpanzu. I'm listening, and what's evoking in my mind are cassava, you know, just kind of the smells and tastes that I've had the pleasure of being able to be at tables from Angola. You know, some of our brothers and sisters coming from Angola visiting us here in the States, and it's just a wonderful feeling.
Yeah, good. Let us move to.
Yes, thank you.
Brother David is going to help. But we're going to move into Proverbs. Kikongo Proverbs.
Yes.
Let me just share my screen. Okay. Tata David. I know you are brave. I trust you. Okay. I'm just give you a clue. The first word. Can you read for us, please?
The English first.
Please. Then you go to your Kikongo. Remember, you did send me.
Okay. Yeah.
Please.
He who is unable to carry a burden finds fault with the pad. Another way of saying a bad workman blames his tools. Hence, he who excuses himself accuses himself. La quoi?
Carry on. You did send me la one tete vunina kata. Remember? La one tete vunina kata.
Yes, I have to see it again.
Don't worry.
In order to recall the words. I'm sorry.
Yeah, don't worry. It's hard. Don't worry. Let us go to the second one. Yes, please.
You cannot put your hands twice into the ignorance purse.
Yes.
So, forewarned is forearmed.
Mm.
So
Remember
kutu,
anything? Kutu, yes, starting with Kutu. Kutu azoa, mbalamusi isiwanga koko. Kutu azoa, mbalamusi isiwanga koko. Okay, next we're going back to this. We're going back to this proverb next time.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is very, very important for whoever is learning Kikongo. You need to understand the culture. You need to think in Kikongo. Someone's written. Okay, Tutondele, Nenga Marian, Tutondele. Oh, she's from Nenga Marian. She's from Houston.
Oh, nice.
Nenga, I'm just okay. Nenga Marian, thank you very much.
Perhaps you can put her in touch with us if that's even permissible.
Okay, thank you. Let us go to the lesson today. Today's lesson. Okay, before we move to the lesson, remember last time we followed Dr. Lagama. Remember Brother David from Chicago, not from Chicago, Metropolitan Museum, the video.
Yes.
She was talking about. Are you there, Brother David? She was talking about Congo history, yes,
and some of the relics.
Yes. Thank you very much. I'm just going to show a picture. It's not great quality, but let me see. Remember, the first gift to Europe from Africa to Europe came from Angola.
The fine.
What was it? Remember what was it? Remember?
Was it the fine fabrics?
Yes. Then tusk. Is it tusk? No, elephant. Tusk. Yes. Now I'm just going to show something for let me see. Bear with us, please. Technology. This is always happen when you're alive. When Have you ever seen this? My picture. Let me just see if I can. This is backpack. Yes. I'm just going to tell anyone to say to public. This is a backpack.
Oh, okay. I see.
This is a backpack for
like
millennia.
a basket with straps.
Yeah, backpack. Yeah, this is a backpack. Yes, basket.
Is it possible to expand the picture?
Yeah, that's this picture. Let me see if I can. Okay, 1 minute. Yes.
There we go.
Yes.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Okay. You tell me who invented backpack. This has been there for millennia. Ngendo. We call it Ngendo in Kikongo. Ngendo. Let me just write down. Ngendo. Can you see a theme, a studio theme? Which color is it, Sister Rocha? A theme.
Our theme?
No, on a studio. The color. Which color you see the studio?
It's the color. I'm hoping I'm right answering this correctly.
Pink. Yeah.
I was gonna say magenta.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I think that's probably closer.
No problem. But see on your display name the color. It should be clear.
Yes.
And there's some purple in there too.
Yeah, pink. Yeah.
Straps.
Yeah.
You know for why? Because of ladies. My mom taught me to write Kikongo when I was 12.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
I wrote for her. I used to send letters to the village. Of course, she couldn't write to her brother. I wrote in Kikongo. It was not easy. It was hard, but as I did. So whenever I wrote a letter, I have to read it to her so
Yeah.
that she can check it. That was the hard task.
Yes, yes.
Hard. So this Ngendu is part of our logo. See our background logo?
Oh,
Background.
yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This reminds me of my grandmother, my mom's mom. In our logo. So this Kikongo, remember, lady has power. Congo tradition.
Yeah.
Okay. That was the introduction. So ladies, before. So I won't say. Okay, I have to stop there. So.
And okay.
Okay. Any question? This is.
I was going to ask you, would they put items inside of it?
Oh yeah, this for when they're going to
Is this for the market?
This for when they're going to the field.
Mm-hmm.
To plow.
Yes, yes.
Anything going to dig cassava. Then once they go back home, I mean the village. You go to home,
yes.
Here and the carry. But this
Absolutely.
is a backpack. To me, this is my own opinion. My opinion, we invented backpack. You know.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
This has been there for millennia. Remember what Dr. Alagama said in London, no, Metropolitan Museum in New York, about the fabric was better than the Italian fabric.
Exactly.
Long time ago.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to the lesson today. That was just an introduction to Congo culture, you know.
Matunda Masaka.
Tutondele, monopetondele. Brother David, remember Makonzo? No, like this. We do this.
Yeah.
Makonzo. Not this. This is not us. We do this.
Okay.
Basically, you could say just to bow, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Japanese, they do this. Japanese, we do this.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. I love it.
Okay, let us go to the today's lesson, number 3, section 1. You need to fasten your seatbelt. We're flying from Chicago to Tulsa.
Goodness.
I'm sure brother Dave from Chicago is there. He's following us. He's in the background. He's at work. Thank you, brother Dave. Can you just confirm you're still listening? You can still. Oh, okay. Okay. Still, I think he's still watching.
Yeah,
okay, let me just. Sorry.
Yeah, he's still with us. I see.
Yeah. Let me just show the lesson 3, section 1. You need to pay attention because we are flying now. We are moving from the basics to high level. Okay. Nengo Rachel, I'm going to test you, Sister Rachel. Utokozi Makiambi. Are you able to translate? Utokozi Makiambi. You know the meaning? Okay. Let me just. Utokozi is there.
Utokozi Makienzi. Ingratitude.
Yes, is.
Ntokozi Makienzi.
Makiambi. It is bad.
Makiambi.
Yes.
Makiambi.
Yes.
So we always read this to say thank you to Professor Hezo Carter and Tata Jean Makonde. Can you read for us, sister, please?
Yes. Congo language course. Malongi Maki Congo or Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Tata Joao
Makondekwa.
Makondekwa.
Well done.
Joan, also as Hazel Carter, between the dates of February 22nd, 1928 through August the 3rd, 2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation entitled Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, known as the Kikongo language, from the African Studies program from the Department of African Languages and Literature from the University of Wisconsin-Madison here in the U.S. during 1987 of May.
Oh, well done. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wow. Yeah, I can feel you reading from the heart. Huh? I can feel it. Okay, today's lesson is okay. Of course, lesson 3 and 1. Nouns are subjects, noun variants, moving high tone. Remember Professor Hazel Carter dissertation? Syntax and tone in Congo language. Noun, moving high tone, compound nouns, third person singular pronoun, and subject prefix. Okay, let us move. Okay, this is pattern. Osinga, the noun, she, le, hello, oya, and the singer. Yes, she. Okay. Next one is model Owana. Remember, Kikongo is. Where's Sister Louise? Let me just bring her again. Yeah. Kikongo, basically, Kikongo is tonality, the tone. I mean, your nasal. Remember, I always say that. Intonation language. Intonation language and long vowel. So if you forget intonation language, I mean tonality, no long vowel, it is another language, not Kikongo. It is like saying that you teach me Photoshop, but don't say the word layer.
Right.
Can you do
Right.
Can you do that? Teach me Photoshop, how to use Photoshop, but don't pronounce the word layer.
It's not happening.
Who can do that? Photoshop is dead. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, Kikongo is
it's very crucial.
Someone said that, told me, do you sing or do you speak when you're going to speak your language? Because we have, see, that tonality. We express our soul.
Actually, the language I do, when you hear it, there is such it's a beautiful sing-songy quality to it when it's spoken.
Yeah. Tata David, can you read for us, please?
Omwana Osingaje, is the child going to eat? Elo Oyandi Osingajia, yes, she's going to eat.
Thank you. Nengo Rachel, please.
Omwana Osingaje, is the child going to eat? Elo Oyandi Osingaje.
Thank you.
Yes.
You. Remember Andy, Tata David, remember? I pronounce your David in Kikongo. Tata David, remember this one? Third person. We coming back.
Yeah, is he or she going to eat? Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Andy.
Tata David.
Okay. Okento Osingalambe, is the woman going to cook? Elo Oyandi Osingalamba. Lamba.
Well done, thank you. Nengo Rachel.
Okento Osingalambe, is the woman going to cook? Elo Oyandi Osingalamba. Lamba. Yes, she is going to cook.
Well done, thank you. I like that. Good pronunciation, both of you. I mean, this is Kikongo, you know? If you miss long vowel, forget. If you miss the nasal, remember we were talking. I think Brother David was not. We were talking last Sunday in the background. Just by missing long vowel, the
Yes.
word becomes rude. Remember that word? I won't say it now.
Yes.
Remember, sister?
Tambul. I think it was.
Yeah. Just when you miss your long vowel, the same thing applies in missing. When you miss your nasal, it is different words. I can't say it live, you know. There are many words like this in Kikong. Onkento, Osingalambe, Hello, Oyandi, Osingalamba. Well done. Yesterday, after Kikongo lesson, I mean, when we finished, say bye to one student, learners. I say to them, Sala Kiambote. Sala Kiambote. Then the learner was very good learner. I mean, it's very, he knew what was his lesson, you know. He said, no. Did you mean to stay or to work? Yeah, I meant to stay.
Yes, exactly.
But I didn't pronounce a long vowel. See, meaning that I became work. You know.
Right. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This is
This
amazing.
is Congo. Let us move. Tata Davidi.
Onkundi, is that an A? Oh, yeah. Okundi Aku, Osinga Vutuke. Is your friend going to return? Elo. Oyandi Osinga Vutuka. Yes, she's going to return.
Thank you. Onkundiaku, just make just like one word. Onkundiaku. Onkundiaku, Osinga Vutuke. Hello. Oyandi, take your time, yeah? Sister Rachel, your turn. Take your time. All right.
It's like I'm going through a tightrope here.
Hello. Oyandi, Osinga Vutuka. Because the pitch, you know, is very important. I mean, the tonality of stuff. You're saying something. Apart from the word you're reading, your tonality means something to the word. It gives us a meaning to the word. Name Rachel, please.
Okundiako. Okundiako.
Well done.
Osinga Vutuke. Is your friend going to return? Hello. Oyandi Osinga Vutuka.
Thank you.
She is going to return.
Thank you. Tutondele. Tata Davidi. Please.
Omuntu Osinga Wate. Is she going to plow? Elo. Oyandi Osinga Vata.
Tutondele. Nengwa Rachel, please.
Umuntu Osinga Vatae. Well, okay. Elo. Oyandi Osinga Vata.
Yes, good. Well done. Omuntu Osinga Vate. Elo. Oyandi Osinga Vata. Tata Davidi.
Ondeze Mwana Osinga Sale.
Here we go. See? Thank you very much.
The child, nurse, babysitter going to stay? Elo. Oyandi Osinga Sala.
Well done. Thank you. Thank you very much, Tata David. Ondezi Mwana Osinga Sale. Long vowel. Ondezi Mwana Osinga Sala. This is not staying. Osinga Sala. Work. Singa Sale. Nengwa Rachel, please.
Umdezi Mwana Osinga Sale. Elo. Oyandi Osinga Sala.
Thank you. Well done. You're in the Singa Sala. Well done. Tata David.
Omfumu avata osinga vyoke.
Mhm.
Is the village chief going to pass by? Would that be vyoke?
Yes.
Elo. Oyandi osinga vyoka.
Well done. Yes.
Yes, he's going to
Nengorocho.
pass by.
Let's see here.
Omfumwavata. 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 Mhm.
Okay. Ofumav.
Omfumwavata. Omfumwavata.
Ofumwavata.
Yes, U and A, just to make it a vowel contraction. Omfumwavata. Yes.
Ofumwavata. Ofumwavata osinga vioke.
Well done.
Elo. Oyandi osinga viako.
Vyoka.
Vioka.
Well done. Wow.
Vioka.
Well done. Tata Davidi. Congo David.
Umwana osinga leeke. Is the child going to sleep? Elo. Oyandi osinga leeka. Yeah, she's going to sleep.
Yes. Nengorocho.
Omwana osinga leke. Elo. Oyandi osinga leka.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. If I said to someone, I mean, in this case, Omwana, I said to him, Leka. Remember last time when I was explaining about the long vowel and the tonality and the meaning. Leka kiambote.
Leka.
Leka kiam, have a good sleep. If I say leka, I mean something else. I'm not happy. Just go. Just go. Go.
Yes.
This is how important is the long vowel, the good pronunciation. Yes. Tata David, please.
Omuntu osinga vivile. Is a person, is she going to listen? Elo. Oyandi osinga vivila. Or should that be vivila?
Sorry, brother.
Is that vivila or vivila? The last word to listen.
To vivila, just one A. Vivila. Sorry, my mistake. Typing error. Basically, it is here A, yes, because we're asking a question. Gigongo tonality. Remember, vivile.
Vivile.
A is here. Vivila A. Vivile. Contraction, vowel contraction.
Okay.
Vivile.
Right.
Nengwarocho, please.
Omuntu osinga vivile. Elo. Oyandi osinga vivila.
Well done, vivila. Well done. I know they confused the accent, but vivila. Sorry. Tata David.
Fumu avata osinga vove. Is the village chief going to speak? Elo. Oyandi osinga vove. Vova.
Well done. Nengwarocho, please.
Ofumu avata osinga vove. Elo. Oyandi osinga vova.
Well done. I like this. Pumavata. Yeah. Vowel contrast. Pumavata. Yeah.
Ofumavata.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. Very good. Nengwa Louise, are you able to read for us? Let me go. Let's see.
Yeah, I can read if you like.
I'm sorry. I know you are. Okay, let me just go back to the first one. Your turn. Nengwa Louise, please.
Okay. Omwana osinga die. Is the child going to eat? Elo. Oyandi osinga dia. Yes, she is going to eat.
Thank you very much.
Onkento osinga lambe.
Mhm.
Is the woman going to cook? Elo oyandi osinga lamba.
Well
Yes,
done.
she's going to cook.
Well done, sorry. Thank you. Hello. Oyandi. Remember, I keep saying that because it's very important. I can't say it enough. Vowel. Are you coming? Hello.
Right.
Are you coming? Hello. you know what I mean, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I'm coming. Yes. I'm coming. Okay, come on, I'm coming. Hello. Oh yes, I'm coming. Name Luis, please.
Enkundiaku osinga vutuke. Is your friend going to return? Elo oyandi osinga vutuka.
Thank
Yes,
you.
she's going to return.
Itondele.
Omuntu osinga vate. Is a person going to plow? Elo oyandi osinga vata. Yes, she's going to plow, cultivate.
Thank you very much. Muntu. I did say head in Gikong head. Ntu. Remember Ntu? Ntu. And as it is here, as you can see, NT Ntu. When I says what should I say? Something is on your head. Let's say Gikong something lekwa muntu ina. Something is in your head. Muntu ina. It's not long vowel. Muntu. Mun. I'm not reading here. M-U, mu space into. 2 words. Let me just write here. Yeah. It sounds the same, but it's not the same. I'm saying elekwa muntu on, yeah, on, and this says mu, on your head, yes? So, this is not long vowel, muntu. When I say muntu, I mean human being.
Yes. And
very important too.
And Tata, Muntu is the singular, where Bantu is the plural.
Yes, you're right. Yes.
Okay, very nice.
Or we could say Wantu or Bantu, same thing. Wantu or Bantu, plural.
Okay.
Nengwa Luis, please. Let me just move.
Okay.
Oh, Nengwa Luis, did you get that? Sorry.
Yes, I did.
Muntu.
Yes.
Something on my head. Something munantu. You could say munantu or muntu. Short muntu. Mu space ntu. On my head, on head. But when I say muntu, I mean human being.
Okay.
Nengwa Luis, please.
Okay. Ondezi mwana osinga sale. Is the child nurse babysitter going to stay? Elo oyandi osinga sala.
Well
yes,
done.
she's going to stay.
Good. Ondezi mwana. Well done. Ondezi mwana. Nengwa Luis.
Omfumwa vata osinga vyoke. Elo oyandi osinga vyoka.
Well done, yeah. Remember, I keep saying that, but it's very important. I guess I can't emphasize that enough. Is the village chef going to pass? Osinga vyoka. There's no long vowel. Osinga vyoka. I'm not happy. Osinga vyoka. Osinga vyoka. Yeah. Osinga vyoka. Nengwa Luis, please.
Omwana osinga leke. Elo oyandi osinga leka.
Yes, leka. Leka kyambote. Eh? Have a good nap. Eh? Go to bed. Your baby. When I say leka, gambote, leka. Okay. If I say leka, leka, it's not the same thing. Go, do it. Just do it. Yes, please.
Omuntu osinga vivile. Elo oyandi osinga vivila.
Thank you. We've been there. Omuntu, yeah, remember? Muntu.
Yes, a person.
Nangwa Luis, please.
Omfumwavata osinga vove. Elo oyandi osinga vova.
Oh, well done. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well done. You done well. Tutondele. I think Brother David will remember it because I wrote it somewhere. Lutambula olukofilweto. Receive. Let me write it down.
Yeah, not yet. You sent it to me, but no, I haven't written it down yet.
Oh, you haven't read it. Good. Yes. Have you got the message? Yes.
No, it's not on the screen yet.
No, it's in the chat.
On private.
In
private.
the chat. Yeah.
You seen it?
Yeah, now I see. Receive our congratulations.
When I said Lutambula, you many Lutambula.
Lutambula.
Let me write it again. Lutambula.
Lutambula olufoki lueto.
Yes, the translation receive congratulations. Yeah, when I do this, receive a congratulation. Yeah, basically this is our version of bowing, no? Make sure it's not like this.
Yeah.
If it's like this, I don't mean it. I just
like this.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, Sister Louise.
Yes.
Yes. Tutondele. Luenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Ah, well done. Sala Kiambote. Tutondele. Have a good day. Okay, Luenda Kiambote. Bye-bye. Bye to all.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Tutondele.
Tutondele.